Hi friends! Thanks for tuning in. If you like this video, please give it a like, comment below, and take a moment to subscribe to our channel. Chester is a coastal village on the south shore of Nova Scotia, located on the shores of Mahone Bay, about 70 kilometers west of Halifax. Known for its scenic waterfront, sailing culture, and historic charm, Chester has long been one of the province's most recognizable seaside communities. Today, the village remains a popular destination for residents, seasonal visitors, and tourists drawn to its natural beauty and maritime heritage. The village itself has a population of roughly 1,500 people, while the surrounding municipality of Chester is home to about 10,700 residents. The area has an older than average population compared with many parts of Canada, with retirees making up an important part of the community. Despite its small size, Chester offers a range of services and amenities that support both year-round residents and visitors. The history of Chester dates back to the 18th century. The area was first settled by New England planters in the early 1760s after the British encouraged settlement in Nova Scotia. The community was originally known as Shoreham before eventually becoming Chester. Over the years, its location on Mahone Bay made it an important center for shipping, fishing, and trade along the Atlantic coast. During the American Revolution, Chester experienced several encounters with American privateers operating in Nova Scotia waters. The community also played a role in regional coastal defense during the War of 1812. Like many coastal communities, life in Chester was closely tied to the sea, and generations of residents built their livelihoods around maritime industries. In the 19th century, shipbuilding became one of the area's major industries. Local shipyards built wooden vessels that carried goods throughout Atlantic Canada and beyond. Fishing and lumbering were also important sources of employment. The harbour provided safe anchorage, allowing Chester to grow as a commercial and transportation hub during an era when travel by water was often faster than travel by land. Today, the local economy is more diverse. Tourism plays a major role, especially during the summer months when visitors arrive to enjoy the waterfront, beaches, shops, restaurants, and cultural events. Chester is especially famous for its sailing culture. Since the 18th century, visitors have come to the area for fishing, boating, and recreation. The village is home to the Chester Yacht Club and hosts Chester Race Week, one of Canada's premier sailing regattas. Every summer, sailors from across North America gather in Mahone Bay to compete, helping strengthen the village's reputation as one of Canada's top sailing destinations. Historic buildings remain an important part of Chester's character. Many homes, churches, and public buildings date back to the 18th and 19th centuries. The community has worked to preserve its architectural heritage, and dozens of properties are recognized for their historical significance. Walking through Chester today offers a glimpse into Nova Scotia's maritime past. Real estate in Chester reflects its popularity as a coastal destination. Home prices vary widely, especially for waterfront properties, but average home values in the area are often higher than many other rural communities in Nova Scotia. In recent years, average home prices have commonly ranged from around $600,000 to over $900,000 Canadian dollars, with luxury waterfront homes selling for much more. The natural setting of Chester is one of its greatest attractions. Mahone Bay is known for its islands, sheltered waters, and coastal scenery. Outdoor activities such as kayaking, sailing, hiking, golfing, and cycling are popular throughout the year. The surrounding landscape of forests, coves, and ocean views continues to attract people looking for both recreation and a quieter pace of life. From its beginnings as a small settlement on Nova Scotia's South Shore to its present role as a vibrant coastal community, Chester has maintained a strong connection to the sea. Its history, maritime traditions, and scenic surroundings make it a distinctive part of Nova Scotia and a place where the province's past and present come together along the shores of Mahone Bay.
Thanks for watching!